Okay, you guys want to hear this? I love how he's just picking his nose. Why is he actually a good singer? He's actually good though. He's like trolling, but it's not even that bad. Whoa, I don't know about that part.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh. Like, that really escalated real quick, to be honest.
Yeah, let me just burps.
There's no way they just killed their vibe like that. I was about to hit the note. There's no fucking way.
He still has his headset, I'm pretty sure. That's iconic as fuck.
Yeah, I told you to go sing it on those ears.
It cuts it though. It cuts it.
On those ears. Oh, fuck.
Yeah. Oh my god, he's still going. He's still going. Oh. Oh. You know, you do you, man.
Trying to go home, all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong.
Nah, we're not doing
I
that.
love Maroon 5.
Damn.
You wanna like sing it into the like that?
Wait, how do we fully recreate this? We can't recreate this. This is too much effort. Okay.